The way we make things is changing. 3D printing is a new technology. It is revolutionizing manufacturing. It lets us create objects in a whole new way. Imagine this. You design an object on a computer. Then, a machine builds it layer by layer. This is 3D printing. 3D printing is also called additive manufacturing. It builds objects by adding material. This is different from traditional manufacturing. Traditional methods often cut away material to create a shape. 3D printing is precise and efficient. It has many advantages over traditional methods. This technology is changing how we design and produce goods. From personalized medical devices to complex aerospace components, 3D printing is opening up a world of possibilities. But like any technology, it also has its limitations. In this essay, we will explore the exciting world of 3D printing. We will look at its advantages and disadvantages. We will also compare its cost to traditional manufacturing. Finally, we will delve into some of its amazing applications across various industries. 3D printing offers several benefits over traditional manufacturing. It provides unmatched design flexibility. It enables rapid prototyping, and it can be very cost-effective for small-scale production. Let's explore these advantages in detail. Design freedom is a key advantage. 3D printing can create very complex shapes. This is difficult or impossible with traditional methods. This opens up a world of possibilities for designers and engineers. Rapid prototyping is another major advantage. 3D printing creates prototypes quickly. This allows manufacturers to test designs and make changes rapidly. This speeds up the product development process. 3D printing is also cost-effective for small batches. Traditional manufacturing often requires expensive molds or tooling. This is not the case with 3D printing. This makes it ideal for producing customized or limited edition products. While 3D printing offers numerous benefits, it is essential to acknowledge its limitations. These include restrictions on materials, limitations in build size, the need for post-processing, and economic considerations for large-scale production. The range of materials available for 3D printing is limited compared to traditional manufacturing. This limits the functionality and applications of 3D printed objects. Another limitation is the build size. 3D printers have limited build volumes. This restricts the size of objects that can be printed. Large objects may require multiple prints and assembly. Post-processing is often necessary. 3D printed objects may require cleaning, sanding, or other finishing processes. This adds time and cost to the manufacturing process. Finally, cost is a factor. While 3D printing is cost-effective for small batches, it may not be economical for mass production. Traditional manufacturing methods are often more efficient for producing large quantities of identical objects. Section 4. Weighing the costs 3D printing versus traditional manufacturing. When comparing the cost of 3D printing to traditional manufacturing, several factors come into play. The volume of production, the complexity of the design, and the material costs all contribute to the overall expense. For small-scale production and prototyping, 3D printing often proves more cost-effective. The ability to produce parts on demand without expensive tooling or molds provides a significant advantage. However, as production volumes increase, traditional manufacturing methods typically become more economical. The complexity of the design also influences the cost comparison. 3D printing excels in creating intricate designs with minimal additional cost. Traditional manufacturing, on the other hand, can become increasingly expensive as design complexity increases, requiring more intricate tooling and machining processes. Material costs also play a role. While the range of materials available for 3D printing is expanding, traditional manufacturing still offers a wider selection, often at a lower cost per unit. This difference in material cost can impact the overall expense, especially for large production runs. Section 5. 3D. Printing in Action Transforming Industries. 3D printing is already having a profound impact across a wide range of industries, from healthcare and aerospace to consumer goods and construction. In healthcare, 3D printing enables the creation of custom prosthetics, implants, and surgical models tailored to individual patients. This personalized approach improves patient outcomes and reduces recovery times. The aerospace industry benefits from 3D printing's ability to create lightweight yet strong components, reducing fuel consumption and enhancing aircraft performance. Consumer goods manufacturers leverage 3D printing to produce customized products, ranging from personalized footwear to unique jewelry designs, catering to the growing demand for personalized experiences. The construction industry is exploring the use of large-scale 3D printing to create entire buildings, offering potential cost and time savings compared to traditional construction methods. As 3D printing technology continues to evolve, we can anticipate even more innovative applications and a greater impact on the manufacturing landscape in the years to come.